Alright guys, I'm about to attempt something pretty crazy.
Do you want more milk?
I got this from Sydney. It is the world's extra hot corn chips. And on the back there's an instruction telling you the reason why you shouldn't eat this. And I probably have 2 or 3 reasons, except for the pregnant part, that I shouldn't take this, but I'll still do it anyway. So I have with me a special guest, Mark.
Hello guys. I've decided to brave this with Aaron here.
So the game we're going to be playing today is we're going to have 1 bite and see how we go. We will try to at least finish 1 corn chip and wait for 5 minutes before we can drink any sort of water or liquid. And we've prepared ourselves a 1/4 liter of milk.
That's probably all for me, right there.
A lactose-free milk. And we've got some bubble tea. So,
Oh, yeah.
alright, I'm gonna open it.
Alright, cooling down.
Oh, dude. Oh my god, never smelled.
Oh shit.
My nose is on fire after just a whiff. Have a look how red this is, guys. Oh my god. That is crazy.
1 big corn chip.
That is literally devil right here. Oh my god. Are you ready?
Oh.
Liz, we have to wait 5 minutes before we can drink water, okay? If whoever drinks water first loses this competition. 2, 1. That's alright.
For now.
It's not too bad. I mean, I can feel the burn, but... Okay. It's kicking in. It's okay for now. It's about 30%.
Oh, Aaron! Brave! That's sick.
Oh shit.
Can you
Oh
some
shit.
more?
It's really spicy. Ah.
How do you feel right now?
Ah, my throat.
The first 20-30 seconds, it was like, yeah, it's okay.
Yeah,
And now, like, my tongue is starting to burn, and I can really feel that throat burning.
Yeah.
And my throat's really hot right now. It's
Yeah.
like,
I can't.
40 degrees.
I can't sit still. It's too hot. It's too hot.
Okay, 2 minutes. Oh. You can do it. You can do it.
It's too hot. No, not fake. It's too hot.
Now the tears coming out. It's not too bad. Like I can handle more.
Yeah. Just have another one, bro.
I haven't hit the point where my nostrils like accumulating. It's just really the nose. I mean, like the eyes that is like.
My mouth.
Oh, my mouth is okay. My mouth is okay.
Just let him drink the milk, man.
You can drink the milk, but you lose this competition.
There's no award.
Well, I think I handle another
2 minutes. Yeah. I think you can.
Well. Go ahead, I'm off. But it's already sparking off. I gotta.
I think it's starting to cool down a little bit for me.
Really?
Yeah, I'll have another one.
Oh, bro. Yeah.
Oh, how do you do this? Sorry, man. You're on your own. Oh,
I can imagine myself having 1 corn chip every day when I wake up because I'm really sleepy in the morning. So I think this will be better than the coffee.
I reckon you could do this before gym.
Before gym?
You're a bit more pumped.
Yeah, for sure.
You'll be ready.
When you hit a point of spiciness, like you just numb. You just can't feel anything anymore. Like Like look at my eyes, they're like teary and like really small. That's the point when you know like you just don't feel the pain anymore. It's just pure torture. It's been 5 minutes, guys, but I actually don't feel too bad. I can have another one. It's really spicy, but it's not that spicy. Like, have you had the chicken ramen before?
Yep.
The Korean chicken ramen, it's probably a little bit less spicy than this, but the 2 times spicy chicken ramen is, I reckon, on par, or even this is just a tiny bit spicier than that, which I could handle. So this would be like almost at my limit. I'm just talking so much shit right now because I'm like brain tired right now from the spiciness.
I think you might need this later soon, man.
I'm gonna go for 10 minutes.
You're gonna go for 10 minutes?
Aaron is not thinking properly right now. He's definitely not thinking properly.
I see. Like, each time you have milk, it feels like okay, but then as soon as you swallow it, the spiciness starts again. The lips are still burning. Damn. I'm okay. Just okay. I'm just gonna pass out if I eat that whole thing. I know. I can't handle a third of it.
Honestly, I don't think it's that spicy. Like, I mean, I had 2 and I'm not dying.
Is every time I finish drinking milk, the spiciness attacks you again.
Got 1.5 more minutes.
Good on you, bro. Like, my head is hurting.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
It's so spicy, what the fudge? How?
No, I'm fine now. Right, it's 10 minutes now. I'm gonna drink a bit of milk.
For the average person, this is super spicy.
Yeah. No, it's not that bad. Oh my god.
A few moments later.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Yeah.